everybody, welcome back to another I don't want it and I'm not gonna buy it. In today's episode 4, I've got 5 items that I'm gonna grill. So let's get to it. Number 1, Dior's friendship bands. These friendship bands from Dior have been attacking Instagram. Like, I have seen so many people wear them and they're nice, okay? Don't get me wrong, they are very nice. They look very, very hippie, very, it's nice, okay, as an accessory, and it comes in a pair. You can give one to your friend and you can keep one for yourself, and it's beautiful. I'm not saying it's not nice. I just feel that it's a little bit more expensive than what I would pay, and the only reason is because I know how to make friendship bands. I don't know about you guys, but when I was young, like in high school or even primary school, I think I was in primary school, and I was making friendship bands. I decided to like whip out my cross stitch and make one as well, just using cross stitch. And obviously it doesn't say J'adore, Dior or whatever, but the reason I wanted to put this in the video is because I feel friendship band is, it has a meaning, right? You make the friendship band for your friend because it's the process of making the friendship band that makes it so much more meaningful. That's my personal opinion, okay? I know a lot of you guys probably have it out, have it and you give it to your friends. Of course, I can understand that, totally appreciate it, but because I know how to make friendship bands, I can't see the value of paying that I think it's 360 Singapore dollars for a pair. It's expensive because I bought all this cross stitch, like all this little cross stitch here, for about 20 ringgit, okay? And I can probably make quite a few friendship bands here. The only thing is time. Time is worth more than that money you pay. I absolutely understand. But the process of making a friendship band just makes it so much more meaningful. Sitting there like twirling, making it, and then you make a mistake, you're like, oh no, I'd pull it all out again, and you just do it all over again. And that process, when you finish the friendship band, like when I finished this friendship band, my husband was like, I want it. I mean, it's lots of love, lots of your time, the effort. So that's the reason why I'm putting the friendship bands in this video. It's not because it is not beautiful. It is beautiful. They make very thick ones and it's well made, okay? It's well made. It's a lot of time put into it. But for $360, for me personally, I feel like it's just missing that friendship band, that friendship band meaning. So yeah, I don't want it. And I'm not gonna buy it because I'm gonna make it. Number 2, Chanel's raincoat. This raincoat is cute, alright? Doesn't get me wrong, it is cute. But it is plastic with leather trimming with some buttons on it. And oh my goodness, it is so expensive. It is 650 USD. In Singapore, it's $820. In Malaysia, it is $2,600. That is insane for a raincoat. If you have been to Asia, Malaysia and Singapore in particular, because I live here, if you have been through a thunderstorm, that tiny little raincoat ain't gonna help your bag, okay? It's not gonna protect you in anything. It's gonna fly off. When it rains here, it doesn't go ding 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 ding. It goes kaboom! When I saw it online, I was like, hang on, there is like a little piece that the strap comes through, and that little part where that top bit of your bag will not be protected. Yeah, it kind of folds out like this. It protects like the majority of your bag, but where that part comes out, where the string is, that top of your bag's not protected. So I was like, hang on, shouldn't it like envelope the entire bag and protect my bag because it's supposed to be a raincoat? DIY. You don't need an expensive raincoat. Get yourself one of these recycling bags that you can fold up really tiny and shove it into your bag. 100% protection. So no, I don't need a Chanel raincoat. Number 3, the PVC bags. So this trend of see-through bags, it is kicking up a storm on Instagram and on YouTube. A lot of people have it, and I've been seeing a lot of pictures of it, and it's not for me. I don't like people snooping around in looking into my bag. For me, my bag is like a dirty secret, okay? It's like I've got things all inside, all mashed up inside, and I don't want a see-through bag. I know a lot of people can rock it. I know if you've got it, rock it. But personally, I am a really messy person in my bag. I don't want people to be like, ooh, she's got like chewing gum, wrapping paper, tissue that's stuffed at the corner. No, I don't want people to get eyesore looking into my bag like, ooh, she's got lots of stuff in her bag. Like, look at my bag. It's got all kinds of things. Look at that. Do you want to see that through my see-through bag? That's a pad. Why do you think what's in my bags are so interesting? It's like a dirty little secret. You want to know, like, what do I keep in my little bag? You want to know, right? So, if it's see-through, there's no more secret, right? No more fun. Alright, that's just a joke, but seriously, having a see-through bag is more work. That's how I personally feel because everybody can see everything you've got inside and you don't really want to show them that you're such a disorganized person. You gotta use proper stuff in your bag. You know, you gotta put, your makeup in a proper bag. You gotta put things that are covered so that when people look through your see-through bag, they'll be like, oh, she's got lots of pretty little cute things. That's a lot of effort, okay? So, no. But wait, let me just tell you the price of one that I checked out. So Chanel's latest see-through bag, you can actually see it on the website. Oh my goodness. In Malaysia, it's 12,000 over dollars. That's almost 4,000 USD for a PVC bag. No! Number 4, LV's Arc-Light sneakers. When I saw these in store, I had a moment. I was like, what in the world is that? I tried them on and I'm sorry, I look like Ronald McDonald in them, and this is really me. Oh my god, they are ugly, they are weird looking shoes that are too trendy for me. I wear a lot of shorts and they didn't look nice with my shorts, so I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe it's just that it's not my style. I can appreciate a lot of people enjoying this style. They are extremely fashionable, okay? They are, like, people will notice you when you wear them. They'll be like, Arc-Light. I don't have legs that go to infinity and beyond. I have decent looking legs. They're not slim, they're quite chunky monkey. These shoes make me look chunky monkey, so no, I don't want it, and I'm definitely not buying it. Number 5 is for my skincare lovers out there. Guerlain's Black Orchid. This has to be the most expensive moisturizer I have ever heard of. It is over 1,000 USD. I saw it at the Singapore airport. It was selling for 1,800 Singapore dollars. The only reason I found out about this is because somebody I know bought it. She bought the moisturizer and she bought the 4-tube thingy. I'll just put a picture here for $1,400. My jaw dropped. I'm not against spending a lot of money on skincare and expensive makeup. I live for it, okay? I love buying expensive ones and I want to try and enjoy. But at 1,800 Singapore dollars, that is too much. That is just like, if I ever spend over 1,000 USD on a moisturizer, it better make the skin on my face smoother than a baby's butt. Alright, so the person that I know who bought both items, which is the moisturizer and the serum thing, I have to admit, her skin has definitely improved. It's not a baby's butt yet, but it's definitely smoother. The pores around like this part of her face is like softer, smoother, less less big. I don't know. It better be for that price, okay? Can you imagine having to buy that continuously? Like, it's gonna finish, right? It's gonna finish, I don't know, in 2, 3, maybe 3, 4 months. You've got to spend that again. Oh my goodness. I guess if you don't buy other luxury things, like if, let's say, for example, I stop buying handbags, or I stop, I just stop buying all the other luxury stuff and I have all this spare cash, why not invest in something that will definitely make your skin so much better? Because this is obviously more important than a handbag. Okay, I get it. It's just that right now my money is gonna go to handbags. So maybe, never say never, right? Never say never. But at this point in my life, right now, 1,800 Singapore dollars for a moisturizer is no! So that's it for today's 5 Save My Money items. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, if any of you have these items, please, like I said in my second video, don't get insulted by these. It's just for fun. If you watch my second episode, you will understand a little bit more about why I'm talking about these products. It's not that I'm insulting you directly. If you've got the Arc-like shoes, rock it, okay? They just don't look nice on me, but rock it, make sure you wear it. Just make sure you have a laugh. Have a laugh of how we spend our money, right? Because, you know, we're a little bit crazy when we get into luxury. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Till my next episode, you guys take care and I'll see you then. Bye.